Luna? In-game name niyo ni Lucia.
Ma'am, teka lang. Hindi naman po ako naglalaro habang tatrabaho eh.
When I said no game is allowed, no game is allowed!
Luna, I want to meet you.
Actually, nakita na tayo.
What?
Ako kaya yung nag-save sa'yo kanina. Binigyan na nga kita ng clue eh.
What? Really? I'm so sorry that I didn't recognize you.
Tatampo na ako. Suyuin mo ko.
Please tell me what I can do to make it up to you.
I'm preparing for the Miss Legends beauty pageant sponsored by Mobile Legends. How may to take the crown?
Are you Luna?
Yes, it's me. I'm the one you're talking to right now.
The one who saved me earlier.
Yes.
This smell looks so familiar. Siya ba yung niligtas ko kanina?
She looks so familiar. Your earring. Where's the other one?
Pan! Anong ginagawa niyo dyan?
Malanti ka. Alam kong pinaplano mo sa boyfriend ko. Layuan mo siya. Sumasagot ka pa.